ma'am, teachers, and all my dear students. So today we are going to celebrate our 76th Republic Day. So now I invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am to hoist our flag.
Standards, attention, national song. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Another country. And I am proud of it. Teacher. Value it. I should always try to be worthy of it. I should my parents. Teachers. And all my elders. Respect. And deliver. Courtesy. And to stand deliver. To my country. And my people. And my ocean. India learning. Prosperity. Along life. And happiness.
Standards, attention, log.
Standards, attention.
Standard, మీరు చెప్పండి మేడం.
Now I request our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Manjula Madam Garu, to hoist our national flag.
Flag salute. Flag song. సొగసైన భరతదేశం మాదే స్వతంత్ర దేశం గ్రామాలనెన్ను తడిపి బంగారు పంటలొసగే గ్రామాలనెన్ను తడిపి బంగారు పంటలొసగే వేలాది నదులు కలిగి విలసిల్లు భారతదేశం ఈ దేశం మాదే స్వతంత్ర దేశం సొగసైన భారతదేశం మాదే స్వతంత్ర దేశం కాశ్మీరు నగరు నుండి కన్యాకుమారి వరకు కాశ్మీరు నగరు నుండి కన్యాకుమారి వరకు హిందూ మతం ఇస్లాం మతం క్రైస్తవ మతం మరెన్నో కలిసున్న భారతదేశం ఈ దేశం మాదే స్వతంత్ర దేశం సొగసైన భారతదేశం మాదే స్వతంత్ర దేశం.
To give a small speech over the occasion.
Morning to all. Morning to all. On Republic Day, we honor the legacy of those who fought for rights and freedom. But it is also a time for the youth to reflect on their role in shaping the future of India. As young citizens, we are the future leaders, thinkers, and innovators of this great nation. It is our duty to work towards the progress of India and ensuring that the ideas of democracy, justice, and equality laid out of our Constitution are for generations to come. Thank you.
Now,
Good morning everyone, my name is K. Sukma from 5th class. Today is Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of India. It is our constitution come into force on this day in 1950. To live in unity. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am K. Kuchitra, class 7. Today I would like to say a few points about Republic Day. On 26 January, we celebrate Republic Day every consecutive year in India. In 1950, the constitution is started by our freedom programs and events, cultural programs, essay writings and drawings, etc. Thank you for doing this wonderful opportunity.
Anyone? Still? From high school? Over? Principal Ma'am Manshura Ma'am, to address all the gathering regarding the resolution. Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. Firstly, I would like to wish you all a happy Republic Day. This is the 76th Republic Day we are celebrating today. In the same day, in the year 1950, our India became republic. Do you know who wrote our constituency? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Have you seen his picture in TVs? In standing posture, and he always holds a book in his hand. That is our Indian constituency book. Indian constituency means it's a written document. That book is our Indian constituency. In that book, he wrote everything. How an Indian citizen have to live. What are the rights we have. What are the rules we have to follow. What to do and what not to do. All the conditions are written in that constituency book. So from January 26, 1950, it became to practice. From that day onwards, we are following that rules and regulations. In that book, mainly they have given some freedom rights for us. 6 fundamental freedom rights they have allotted for the Indian people. They are free to speak. Before that, we are not at all having any freedom to speak whatever we think. Now we have that freedom. We have the freedom to live anywhere within India. We have freedom to move anywhere in India. And we have freedom, whatever the profession we want to obtain. And whatever the education we want to do, we have to finish that education. That also one of the right our constituency have given. And if we want to gather, that means if we want to conduct any meeting, we have that right also. Before preparation of this constituency, we have we didn't have all these rights. After getting into practice only, we all are having these rights. Now we are free to move in the society, to share our views with others. Before that, we didn't have all these opportunities. And in the same way, they have given some duties also. We have to respect our national flag. For that purpose only, in all the schools, morning session, prayer will be conducted. In that prayer daily, we are taking an oath by doing pledge. How to behave. I love my country. I love my elders. I respect my elders. I respect my parents, teachers and elders. Everything you are saying. That means daily we are promising. All these are written in our constituency book. According to that, we are following, we are living. So everyone have to follow that constituency rules and regulations. And one more thing, as a student, what is your duty? First, you have to fulfill the dreams of your parents. You have to read well. You have to make your parents and teachers happy. For that, you have to work hard to become a good Indian. Always salute. We must be proud to be an Indian. Always we must be proud. If you see wherever, if you see our national flag, we have to salute. We have to respect the soldiers, those who are working hard day and night for ourselves. By doing their duties in our border. So all these we have to follow. First we must, as a student, what is your duty? You have to respect your parents, teachers and elders. Behave friendly with your friends. Don't say lies. Give respect to your parents. All these we have to follow. Okay, once again I would like to convey my wishes to you all. A happy Republic. Something I want to say, I forgot. Why we are holding our flag this side? Left side of our body. Why?
What is the important body part in left side? Heart. Heart is very important for each and every human being. It will decide whether we are alive or dead. So in the same way, this flag is very important to us, for every Indian. So we are keeping it in left side. And one more thing, on the day of Independence Day, we will hoist the flag from bottom to top. That means that is the first time we got the independence. So we have to lift the flag from downward to upward. But today, all of you, I think you have observed, already flag is in upward position. We just opened it. That means all the Indians became free by opening the flag with the rights. All of you have observed or not? Today, where the flag is in upward only. But for Independence Day, we will pull it to upwards from here, from bottom to top. That is the main variation in between Independence Day and Republic Day. Okay? Thank you.
Bye.
Independence